Hello everyone, welcome to Pixartrick, and in this tutorial of Lightroom, we will see how to get 1000 plus Lightroom presets for free through the free version of Lightroom. So after opening the Lightroom, we need to go to Learn, and from there we can click on any tutorial over here. Let's click on the Start tutorial. Now let's click on the Continue and let's follow each of the steps. And here's a magical thing, even if you have the free version of Lightroom, you can go through all the premium tools available here. Now we can click on the three dots over here and we can click on Create Preset. I will name it Refined. Now let's save it. And now we can go to the presets and we can see that it's here. And now we can take any other photo and we can apply it on them. Let's import this photograph over here. And now we can go to presets. From there go to My Presets if not already selected, and you can see that it has done an amazing job. And as no preset is universal for every photograph, we need to just tweak the parameters a bit. And we have got a beautiful photograph over here. And now you can click on the I button over there to see how to import it as a Lightroom CC XMP preset for Lightroom CC or Lightroom Classic CC in Windows or Mac. That was all for this one. Thank you for watching.